Welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can change the menu language of a Ford Mondeo. Building year is 2016, and in this video I'm going to show you I can change it. There are two methods to change the language. First method is through the screen over here, and the second is through the steering wheel. And in this video I'm going to show you I can do it. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with the screen over here. This is touch screen, so go to settings button over here. Unload. Settings button. And as you can see, you will get a menu. Go to system, and you see the language over here. Desired language, in this case it's Dutch. It's changing here, and it does change the language over here, as you can see. I'm going to change it back to English again.
Taal ingesteld op Nederlands.
System, language, English. And we're gonna change it back through the steering wheel, back to Dutch again, so you can see how I changed it.
Language set to English.
You have to go through the menu over here, use the left side of the steering wheel, press to the left, find settings by scrolling down, go to display, third one, display, press OK. As you can see, the third option is a language. Confirm by pressing OK, and scroll through the desired language and confirm by pressing the OK button, and you'll see that the display over here will turn into the desired language,
ingesteld op Nederlands.
and you'll hear an announcement of changing the language. That was it for this video. I want to thank you taking your time watching our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.